Welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your favorite destination for transforming your outdoor spaces into breathtaking sanctuaries. Today, we are exploring 12 exquisite ideas for incorporating natural stone and Japanese craftsmanship into compact front yard pathways. These designs prioritize elegance and tranquility, ensuring even the smallest gardens make a lasting impression on every visitor. If you find these ideas inspiring, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. A traditional Nobedan path uses a mix of large flagstones and smaller cobbles to create a textured, carpet-like effect. This Japanese technique provides a stable walking surface while acting as a sophisticated focal point for a small yard. The varied shapes of the natural stone introduce a sense of organic rhythm to the narrow entryway. Surround the edges with soft moss or fine gravel to complete this classic high-end look. For a clean and modern aesthetic, consider using oversized rectangular granite slabs spaced evenly across a bed of dark river rocks. This minimalist approach draws the eye forward, making a compact front garden feel significantly longer and more organized. The contrast between the light gray stone and the dark wet-look pebbles adds a dramatic contemporary flair. It is a low-maintenance solution that perfectly complements a home with sleek, architectural lines. A gently curving pathway made of slate tiles can break up the rigid lines of a rectangular front lot. The natural blue and charcoal hues of slate provide a cool, calming palette that pairs beautifully with lush green ferns. By using thin, layered stones, you create a delicate ribbon effect that guides guests toward your front door. This design maximizes the perceived space by encouraging the eye to follow the elegant, flowing curves. Integrating a Japanese sleeve fence alongside a stone path adds a layer of privacy and architectural interest to your facade. These small bamboo screens work in harmony with weathered fieldstones to define the boundary of your garden space. The path itself can be simple, allowing the craftsmanship of the stone and wood to speak for the overall design. This combination creates an intimate room, feeling right at your home's entrance. Porphyry stones offer a rich tapestry of purple, gray, and ochre tones that instantly warm up a compact garden. Arranged in a fan or European arc pattern, these small cobbles provide an incredibly durable and slip-resistant surface. The intricate texture of the stones contrasts beautifully against a smooth garden wall or a minimalist home exterior. This style brings an old-world charm that feels both artisanal and grounded in nature. Incorporate a symbolic Zenigata stone, shaped like an ancient coin, as a central feature in your pathway layout. Surrounding this focal point with precisely raked white gravel creates a meditative atmosphere in a very small footprint. This design emphasizes the Japanese philosophy of ma, or the beauty of empty space within your landscaping. It is an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a peaceful retreat that requires very little water or pruning. Basalt columns laid horizontally or used as thick plinth steps create a bold, rugged entryway for a compact yard. The dark, porous texture of basalt looks stunning when wet, offering a changing visual experience during rainy days. These heavy stones provide a sense of permanence and strength, grounding the garden against the home's facade. Soften the look by planting creeping thyme or dwarf mondo grass in the crevices between the stones. A mosaic pathway using geometric cuts of sandstone offers a bright and cheerful welcome to any front yard. The warm tan and gold tones of the sandstone reflect sunlight, making shaded garden corners feel much brighter. You can create a structured pattern that leads the eye directly to the porch, enhancing the home's curb appeal. This craft-heavy approach showcases the beauty of natural stone through deliberate, artistic placement. A dry creek bed-style pathway using smooth river rocks of varying sizes creates a naturalistic forest floor aesthetic. Larger boulders can be placed strategically at the banks of the path to serve as natural benches or decorative accents. This style is particularly effective for compact yards with slight elevation changes or drainage needs. It invites a sense of discovery and whimsy, making a short walk feel like a journey through nature. Embedding polished black pebbles into a concrete or mortar base allows for intricate, swirling patterns that mimic flowing water. This carpet of stone is a hallmark of decorative Japanese garden craft and feels wonderful underfoot. The glossy finish of the pebbles provides a high-contrast look against a light-colored garden wall or fence. This technique is perfect for adding a touch of luxury and artistic detail to a small, functional space. Using reclaimed granite sets provides an instant sense of history and wabi-sabi, or the beauty of imperfection. Wide joints filled with vibrant green moss create a soft, aged look that blends the path into the garden. This eco-friendly option uses durable materials that will last for generations while requiring very little upkeep. The combination of hard stone and soft moss represents the perfect balance of elements in Japanese design. A karasansui or dry landscape path uses large bridge stones over a sea of fine, rippled gravel to simulate a crossing. This sophisticated design turns a simple walk to the front door into a profound aesthetic experience. The interaction between the solid stone slabs and the fluid-looking gravel creates a dynamic visual energy in a small area. We hope these ideas help you create your dream garden, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.